Welcome! In front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. First we need to make sure that the screenshot option is enabled on our watch. So let's press the upper button to wake up the screen on our watch, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On the panel, tap on the settings icon, then scroll down, find the option called Personalization and tap on it. And here scroll down and find the option called Screenshot and tap on it to enter. Now make sure that the switch next to Enable Screenshot is flicked on, and once it is, we can take a screenshot on our watch. So let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open fit calls. And now to take a screenshot, you need to press and hold the upper and lower button together. And after a couple of seconds, second or two, you will see the message screenshot taken. Let's take a screenshot of this too, like that. Take screenshot success. And that's how you take screenshots on this watch. And if you want to access them, you can use the MOBVOI app on the phone that is paired with your watch. So we can bring our phone right here. Zoom out the camera. Like this. Move the watch closer. Okay. You need to have the MOBVOI app installed on your phone. And you need to log in into an account. And once you open the app, you can tap on Device. And it should see your TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra right here. And you can tap on Watch Screenshot option. And this will basically sync your screenshots to your phone. And now you can open the gallery on your phone. I believe you should see your screenshots right here, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.